This is lesson 7.6, part 1. In this video, you will learn what a natural logarithm is, and you will learn how to solve equations involving natural logs. To understand natural logarithms, you have to understand the natural number. So there is a number called e, and e is like I or pi in that it is a number. E is irrational like pi is, and it's approximately equal to 2.718. So E is used as a base in exponential and logarithmic equations that involve continuous growth or decay. So if we have an equation in the form y equals e to the x, because e is a base here with an exponent, we should be able to rewrite that as a logarithm. So it would look like x equals log base e of y. Anything that has a base e is considered a natural log, so rather than write log base e, we would write instead just ln, which stands for natural log, and then you don't have to put in a base because the base is assumed to be e. So using the properties of logarithms, we could take these expressions and rewrite them as single logarithms. So in example A, this would be natural log of 15 squared minus natural log of 75. 15 squared is 225. So then we can condense the two logs down to 1, and we'd have natural log of 225 divided by 75, which equals the natural log of 3. In a similar way, we could do B through D. So then we can solve some natural log equations like these. So for example, in A, we can take our coefficient here, or exponent, and move it down as a coefficient. So we get 3 natural log of x minus 3 equals 4. And then we can divide both sides by 3 to isolate the log. And then we can put in a base 3 because a natural log has a base e. So to cancel the natural log, you do a base e. So that cancels the ln. We get x minus 3 equals e to the 4/3. You would calculate e to the 4/3 in your calculator, and you get 3.7937. And then we can add 3 on both sides, and we get 6.7937. In example D here, we have 2 logs on the left side, so we would need to condense that down to one single log. So the addition means we're going to multiply 2x times 3, which gives us 6x. And then we can put in a base e to cancel the natural log. And we get 6x equals e squared. E squared is 7.3891, and then we can divide both sides by 6. And we get 1.2315.